Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Spykar. In this, we're going to do the 90 FPS battery guns FPS drop test in the Miui Linux device after the Miui 13 update. As you can see, friends, this is a Miui Linux device which I'm trying to use, and I did install the Miui 13 update in this Miui Linux device. Let me show you exactly the version. As you can see, Miui 13.0.2, which I did install in my device, and very soon you may be also receiving this update, maybe in the Feb. So that's what I'm expecting, friends. Even I'm not sure exactly what date it is, but let's see after this Miui 13 update what is about the FPS drop test, like how much FPS gonna drop. That's what this video is about. And let's do the drop test, and during this time I'll try to use the performance mode. So if you're not sure what is the performance mode, in the game turbo there's an option called performance option is present. I did enable the performance option as well, and right now I'm gonna do the drop test first, and then I'll try to do the team deathmatch as well. And only using the GFX tool and config file you can get 90 FPS. There is no default 90 FPS, so that's something you should definitely understand, friends. Default, there is no 90 FPS, not yet. So the FPS has been dropped to 76 FPS as well during this process of demonstration. So using this kind of GFX tool and config file, that will definitely increase the ping value, and sometimes you won't be able to play properly. That's the one thing which I did notice. Sometimes when I'm trying to use the ping value, I mean config tool and GFX tool. So right now, as you can see, friends, I'm trying to play the team deathmatch. Let me know to focus exactly. Right now you should be able to focus on the FPS exact. So because of this huge FPS bar, sometimes it's kind of really annoying to point out the enemies. So right now, as you can see, the real-time FPS, how we are getting 88 FPS and 90 FPS, not bad. So 89, 87, 84. So this is with the high performance mode which I'm trying to use. So real-time FPS 89 and 87 we are getting, not bad. Not bad. As you can see, friends, overall FPS, that's pretty good. So you can find the GFX tool similarly like this in the Play Store, where you can actually download and install. But using this kind of GFX tool, your account may get banned, so make sure to be aware of those kind of small things. So I will not recommend you to try the GFX tool, but maybe if you want to try it, definitely you can try. So right now, as you can see, if it's 90 FPS, I'm getting 90 and 89. Sorry for my voice because of a kind of cold. I was unable to speak properly because of cold problem. Not bad. As you can see, if it's overall the FPS was able to maintain pretty good. So because of this FPS meter, I cannot see sometimes properly, to be frank. but I need to show you the FPS, right? So that's the reason I'm trying to show you exactly. So 88 and 90 FPS. So 91 FPS. So 87 FPS, not bad. So this is the second match which I'm trying to play, and let me check the temperatures what's happening right now. It did reach up to 40 degrees Celsius, friends. So playing at 90 FPS will ultimately increase the temperatures. So you should definitely understand. So playing at 90 FPS will ultimately increase the temperatures. $18 FPS. So right now, as you can see, 88 and 89, not bad, but temperature seems to be increasing little by little. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this quick gameplay test on this Miui X device. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates. And this is a quick 90 FPS drop test on the Miui X device. And all the phone was able to handle pretty good, not bad. So thank you for watching, and see in the next video online stay for more updates. And meanwhile, signing off until and stay tuned for more updates. Bye.